Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do alignment on the HP Envy 5530. Now alignment is for fine-tuning the printer's ability to print and is a good step to take if you've tried cleaning cycles and more standard bits and your print quality still isn't quite up to snuff. So you want to be on the home page of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not on that page, you'll normally have a little house icon there. Click to go back to the home page. From here we click the spanner in the top right. Then we go into Tools, press the down arrow on the touchscreen, you've got Align Printer, so press to go into there. This will take the printer just a minute, and your printer will take you through the rest of it. You'll have an alignment page like this, but unlike other machines where you have to specify which box is looking best, the scanner of your machine does a lot of the hard work for you. So it tells you to pop it in the scanner bed, press OK, and it takes you through the rest of the process. If this is the first bit of troubleshooting of print quality you've done, I'd also recommend doing the cleaning cycles and test pages I mentioned earlier. We have separate videos for those on our channel if you want to check those out. But hopefully this has helped. If it has, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.